Very good morning, dear children. Today we are going to see an interesting activity going to be performed by the children of your class. Your friends, your classmates, they are going to perform a role play. But this is a bit different role play. How I tell you? We will see this role play episode wise. It means after some time I will say pause. So they will become statue there. And we will discuss that portion of the role play which is going to be performed by your classmates. In that discussion, I may ask you some questions. So please be ready. Watch it carefully. Here they go.
Once there was a tree and it loved a little boy. Every day the boy would visit the tree and enjoy its company.
Come, my boy, come. Climb up my trunk and swing from my branches.
Ah, what fun.
Are you hungry? Eat my apples.
How delicious. When the boy was tired, he slept under the tree. The tree was happy to give its shade.
So dear children, we have just seen the first episode of the role play, the giving tree, right? In it you have seen that the apple tree becomes very happy whenever it sees the little boy. And the little boy also enjoys the company of the tree. Right? The little boy comes, he likes to swing from its branches, he loves to eat delicious apples of the tree. And whenever after playing for a long time he is tired, he takes rest under the shade of the apple tree. Let us see the second episode.
Now let us see the second episode. But the time went by and the boy grew older and went away. The tree was often alone. After some years, one day the boy came to the tree and the tree was very happy.
Come, my boy, come. What can I do for you?
I am too big to climb and play. I want some things and have fun. Can you give me some money?
I am sorry, my boy. I have no money, but I have leaves and apples. You may pluck my apples and sell them in the market. Then you will have money.
The boy happily plucked the apples and carried them away. The tree was also happy, but the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad.
So in the next episode, in the episode number 2, we have seen the little boy grew older. Right? This time when he came, as soon as the tree sees the little boy, the tree becomes very happy. But this time the boy does not swing from its branches. Instead he says that now I am grown up. I want to buy things. I want to do this thing. I want to do that thing. And for that I need money. Can you give me some money? The tree says, I am a simple apple tree. How can I give you money? But do one thing. In return, I can give you something. I have apples. You pluck my apples, sell them in the market, and earn
Money.
The boy happily plucked the apples and went. The tree was very happy when the tree helped the little boy. But the little boy did not visit the apple tree for many days, so that the tree became unhappy, sad. Right? So let us see what happens in the next episode, episode number 3.
One day the boy came back and the tree shook with joy.
Come, my boy, come. Play in my shade, swing from my branches, eat my apples, and be happy.
I am too busy to climb trees. I am getting married and I need a house for my wife and children. Can you give me a house?
I have no house, but you cut my branches and built a house.
So the boy cut off trees' branches and carried them away to build a house. The tree was very happy.
In episode number 3, we saw that the boy grew older, visited the apple tree, and this time he said, I am very busy. I have lot of work to do. I am not free to climb your branches. I am not free to take rest under your shade. Now I am grown up. I want to make a. Can you give me a house? The apple tree said, how can I give you a house? I have only branches, apples. But do one thing. You cut my branches and make a house. This way also the tree wanted to help the little boy. The boy happily cut all the branches of the tree and went away. The tree was very happy. And only one reason. The tree was very happy because it helped the little boy. After giving its all branches. So you can see that the tree is always ready to help the boy. When he was the little one, by giving its apples. When he grew up, the tree gave apples and told him to sell them in the market. And this time, in the 3rd episode, what we have seen? The tree gives all its branches to the boy to make. The boy wanted to make a house, and tree gave all its branches. Now let us find out what happens next.
But the boy stayed away for a long time and the tree was sad again. And when he came back after some years, the tree was so happy that it could hardly speak. Now the boy was a young man.
Come, my boy, come. What can I do for you?
I am going on a business trip. I want a boat to take me away. Can you give me a boat?
All I have left is a trunk. You cut my trunk and make a boat. Then you can sail away.
The young man cut the trunk of the tree and sailed away in a boat. The tree was left only with a stump.
In episode number 4, we saw that the little boy became a man now. He did not visit the apple tree for a longer period of time. During that time, the tree was very, very sad. But after some years, when the boy again visited the little tree, the tree became very happy. This time, the man wanted to go out for a business trip. He clearly told the apple tree, I am going out for a reason and I wanted a boat. The tree happily told, to cut my stump, take it away, make a boat. This time also, even after giving the stem, the trunk, the tree was very, very happy. So you can see, the tree is always ready to help the boy. When he was young, little boy, even after he became a young man, the tree gave its trunk to the man so that he can make a boat because he wanted to go out for a business trip. So now in the final episode, let us find out what happens.
After a long time, the young man came back again. Now he was an old man, but the tree recognized him.
I am sorry, friend. I have nothing to give you. I am left with a trunk. My apples are gone. You cannot eat them. My teeth are too wet for apples. My branches are gone. You cannot swing. I am too old to swing on branches. My trunk is gone. You cannot climb and play. I am too tired to climb. I am sorry, friend. I have nothing to give you. I am really sorry. Dear tree, you have always given me, but now I don't need much. Just a quiet place to sit and rest. An old stump is good for sitting and resting. Come, boy, and sit and rest.
The old man did, and the tree was still happy.
So in the final episode, in the last episode, in episode number 5, we have seen the tree was only left with the stump, and that boy, after becoming a man and then he grew older, a very old man, he visited, but still the tree could recognize. He said, I know you. You are that little boy only. You grew very old, but I know you. And say, okay, come on, now I do not have branches. I do not have apples to give you. And the old man said, but now I am very weak. I cannot climb. I cannot eat apples. And finally that old man realized one thing. Dear tree, you have always given me so many things. When I was a little boy, I swung from your branches. I ate apples. Even when I needed money, you gave me your apples to sell. When I wanted to make a house, you gave your branches. And when I wanted to make a boat, because I wanted to go to a business tour, you gave me your trunk. So always, every time, whenever I asked for your help, you have always helped me. But now I am an old man. I don't need anything. I just want to take rest. At that time also, the tree said, the old stump is good for resting. You can sit on my stump and take rest. So even at that time also, the tree was ready to happy that old man. And the tree was happy to help the old man. You can see. Right? So now, it's the time for question answers. Ask you some questions based on this role play. You have to answer the questions, right? Here we go. My first question is, how did the boy enjoy the company of the tree? Himanshi, will you please answer?
The boy enjoyed the company of the tree by swinging from its branches, eating its apple, and resting under its shade.
Absolutely right. Silent clap for Himanshi. We all know, put your hands down. We have seen that when the boy was very young, when he was very little, he enjoyed the company of the tree by swinging from its branches, by eating its apples and resting under its shade. Right, when the boy was very little. So now, my second question is, how did the tree help the boy to earn money? Yes, you answer please.
The tree gave its apples to the boy and told them to sell them in a market to earn money.
Very good. Silent clap for Shardul as well. In the second episode we saw the boy grew a bit older, and when he visited the apple tree, he said, "Now I am grown up. I'm too busy. I want to buy things, and for that I need money. Can you give me some money?" And the tree replied, "How can I give you money? I am a tree. But do one thing, as Shardul told, you take my apples. I give you my apples. Sell them in the market, and you will earn money. And from that money you can buy things." When the boy was little, apples, branches to swing, and then when he grew a bit older, the tree happily gave its apples. Now, I am going to ask the third question. Be ready. What did the boy do with the branches of the tree? Josefa, can you answer?
The boy made a house with the branches of the tree.
Very good. Silent clap for Josefa. Put your hands down. The next question is, what did the boy make from the trunk of the tree? Saurav?
The boy made a boat with the trunk of the tree.
Very good. Keep it up. Place it down. Now, dear students, we will discuss more on this lesson, the giving tree, in the next period. Today I give you some homework. The homework is very interesting. Generally children like to draw pictures, right? But today we are going to make a poster, a picture. In that we want to show. You should show how trees are useful to us. We have seen that in this role play. So I hope you will be able to make a beautiful poster on how trees are useful to us. Thank you everyone.